Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Tonight we are making broccoli potato soup with fresh herbs. You want to know what those herbs are? Well, one of them is mint. But it's going to give it a little punch. I think it's going to be nice. And if you don't like it, then you don't have to put it in there. Leave the mint out. Put some other herbs in there. But we're also putting dill, which I love dill. And dill belongs in pretty much every soup, I feel like. I could put dill on everything. As always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. First thing you want to do, grab a medium onion and 3 garlic cloves, and we're going to dice these up. Now we're supposed to dice these onions into 1/4-inch chunks, so make sure you do that. Actually, I feel like that's normal dice, so I don't know why they specified that. Now you're going to need 2 pounds of potatoes. Get to use my fancy new peeler that Luke got me for my birthday. Ooh. Ooh. Now, if you don't want to peel them, don't peel them. Do whatever you want. I'm just going by the cookbook. Alright, we're going to chop these into 1/2-inch chunks. Grab a soup pot, and we're going to heat this up over medium heat. Throw in your olive oil. Okay, now we're going to add our onions. And we're going to saute this for about 5 to 7 minutes, just until it starts getting soft. Then add your garlic, tarragon, salt, and a few pinches of black pepper. And we're going to cook this for about 1 minute. Can already tell this soup is going to be good. Alright, now that we've gotten our onions all flavored up, we're going to pour in our 6 cups of vegetable stock and our potatoes. We're going to cover this and bring to a boil. In the meantime, grab your broccoli and start cutting it. You're going to need 4 cups, stalks included. Alright, we're finally boiling. We're going to lower the heat to a simmer and cook for 15 minutes. Go ahead and grab your fresh herbs. You're going to need dill and mint. Fun fact, mint reproduces fast and takes over new habitats quickly. Thus, it's sometimes classified as an invasive species. We all know there's the spearmint and the peppermint varieties, but did you know that there was another popular variety called the apple mint? It actually has a subtle apple smell, but the jury's still out on whether it actually tastes like apple or it's all in your head. 80% of your taste does come from smell. Alright, we need 1/4 cup each of our mint and our dill. Now, if you're absolutely scared of mint or think it's too strong of a taste to put in your broccoli soup, then leave it out. But I think this is going to add a nice little spring flavor to a broccoli soup. Alright, our timer just went off for the first 15 minutes. Now we're going to add in our broccoli, and we're going to cook this for another 15 minutes. Make sure to turn the heat up because it stopped simmering at all once you add the broccoli. We've gotten to the 15-minute mark again. So grab an immersion blender. If you don't have one, then just transfer about 1/3 of the soup into a blender and then return it back to the pot. So we're only blending about 1/3 of this because we want to leave some nice chunks of potatoes and broccoli in there. Don't add your herbs yet because we want those whole. Alright, now that we blended 1/3 of it, add your fresh herbs, your dill, and your mint. Alright, now you want to leave this sitting here for about 10 minutes. You want the flavors to meld, and then you can eat. Let's try it. This does smell awfully fresh. The mint is just a slight smell. It's not overpowering at all. It is a nice, refreshing, light soup. So they said in the cookbook that this is a great start. Kind of like an appetizer for maybe a Mediterranean meal. I think it's just a good, light, summer broccoli soup. I think this is perfect for that. The mint is not overpowering at all. I think it really helps the flavor, complements it well. Same with the dill. Everything is very nice and light. But if there are herbs that you want to put in there, throw them in there. If it's summertime, then you probably have a lot of fresh herbs if you have a garden. So just go out there and start snipping. It doesn't really need any salt or pepper. I might add a little bit just because, but it is not bland. I think it's delicious. It's this was a perfect recipe. This is a nice, simple, easy broccoli soup. Make it. You'll like it. If you did like what you saw, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And as always, share and subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Mint.